birdie. Can you be a doggy? How about a kitty? What about a monkey? What about an elephant? Good job.